Hello everyone. All of the tips and instructions shared in this video are verified by expert mechanics at the shop where I am right now. If your Toyota CHR is showing the infamous EPB malfunction message, the first thing to do is not panic. Your car isn't going to break down suddenly or anything dramatic. It just means the electronic parking brake is having trouble engaging or disengaging properly. Basically, it's saying, hey, something's not right with my electronic parking brake. Check it before it becomes a serious issue. The most common first step that mechanics recommend is to check the 12-volt battery. Many times the electronic brake acts up simply because it doesn't have enough power to move. Several mechanics at this shop report that charging or replacing the battery made the message disappear like magic. So before getting too complicated, make sure your battery is in good condition. Now, if the battery is fine and the message still appears, the next step is to operate the EPB several times. Hold the button for a few seconds and let it complete a full activation and deactivation cycle. Often the system was just confused, and this resets it, making the message go away. If the warning still appears after that, another frequent culprit is loose connectors or wires. From mechanic experience, after moving seats, cleaning the area, or performing maintenance, a plug can get slightly loose, and the system thinks something is wrong. Reconnecting these cables properly often solves the issue without spending a dime. Now, if you've tried all this and it still appears, it's time to consider the brake actuator or the EPB module. Some mechanics have seen cases where the motor that activates the rear brake gets stuck, sensors don't detect the position correctly, or even the hydraulic pressure is low. In these cases, a professional inspection is necessary and parts may need to be replaced. One extra tip: if the message appears intermittently, record when it happens. This helps the shop understand whether it's a temporary glitch or a more serious issue. It also helps rule out false alarms and prevents unnecessary costly replacements.